Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. But before we jump into the charts, guys, today is a historic day for the entire cryptocurrency market. Look across the board, guys. Look across the board, especially over the last 24 hours. This could be the start to the altcoin season that we're all talking about. Looking across the market in the last 24 hours, majority of the altcoins are up right now. A lot to talk about, so let's waste no more time at all and let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, it is currently trading at 44 cents. It's up 8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 5.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So right off the bat, you guys can see Cardano is outperforming Bitcoin, and obviously it's up in USD comparative as well. Looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $15.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $623 million. But now let's get right into the analysis, because this is a big one, guys. And this is something we were anticipating for quite some time, and a lot to cover. If you are part of the Cardano community, you hold Cardano, watch this till the absolute end. Before I get into that, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, guys, it has done it. It has done it. And what I'm trying to talk about is, we have hit a new yearly high at 44.4 cents. And look, guys, we have also, gone above that previous high, which was back on November. And right now we are being supported by that range. So, this is a huge sign for Cardano. And look what has happened with Bitcoin. You guys can see Bitcoin is continuing to go towards the upside, but something insanely different has happened today. Look at the BTC dominance. BTC dominance has been pulling down right now, which is causing a lot of altcoins across the market to start going up, which is a massive sign, because look, guys, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin by a massive margin, up 10.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. So again, Ethereum is a leading indicator for altcoin season. So I think if this BTC dominance were to continue to fall towards the downside, and even if Bitcoin were to start consolidating around this range, we are about to see more continuation upwards trend for a lot of altcoins. And the next targets I'm looking for Cardano are around the 53.17 cents, and most importantly, breaking back into this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And this can happen very, very fast, guys. Remember, about 70% of Cardano right now is not available to be purchased because people are staking it. So the supply shock can happen in altcoin season. And that's where those crazy price movements happen. And remember, we're just at the beginning of a bull market, and we have already seen Bitcoin reclaim $30,000, almost $31,000. And what was that projecting? Now, if we look back at this $22,000 level of resistance, which I was talking about for months and months and months, now we can see why Crypto ZX was showing the importance of this level of resistance. And I really hope you guys saw it play out, because you guys can see after we finally popped out of here, we did see the price of Bitcoin actually see insane price movements. And you guys, Cardano is looking insanely bullish right now. We are starting to see some resistance that's coming on our way. You can see for yourself, and this is resistance that is quite strong. But if the volume is on our side and BTC dominance were to continue to fall down, I really do see altcoins starting this next leg up, and we could see ADA rip very, very fast. My next price target for Cardano is at that 52 cents mark. Once we cross that, back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which we have not seen since back on May of last year. So it's almost been 12 months since we have seen prices back in that range. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about 60% away from that, which is not too far in a cryptocurrency, especially when it comes to bull cycles. Markets move up, they move up very, very fast. And that's where the bear market consolidation comes to an end. Right now, you guys might be saying, wait, are we not out of that bull market, the bear market cycle yet? We're still in the consolidation phase for the price of ADA. In order for us to get past that, that would be obviously in the 78.6. That's why I'm emphasizing it so much. But so far, what I'm seeing right now is very, very nice. And if you picked up some ADA at the beginning of the year, guess what? You're already up almost 100%. So I don't want to hear any fudders that got left out behind that Cardano is not pumping. It definitely is pumping, and also it is ranked at the top 7 spot. So you snooze, you lose, but that's just how it is. Not everyone wins, but I really do believe Cardano is going to shock a lot of people this bull cycle. This bull cycle, if we, like I said, I say it again, historically speaking, this could be the biggest bull cycle ever, and usually every bull cycle is supposed to be the biggest. And if that were the case, double-digit Cardano is not out of the woods. But again, only time is going to tell. But nonetheless, when we do break into the 78.6, I really do believe the FOMO, the FOMO that everyone is used to, like the crazy fireworks, that's where it kicks in. And remember, we are above this level of resistance now. This level of resistance was extremely important to be above. So props to everyone that has held and showed their patience. We're above that zone. Great. And now things can even start looking better as we go into the future. But like I said, the next target I'm looking at is around that 52.43 cents mark. If we crack that, 78.6, here we come, which is that 70 cents mark. So if you believe Cardano is going to be way higher in a year's time, year and a half's time, and you're looking at these prices right now, dollar cost averaging in right now when it's still quite low, still really far away from all-time highs, because if we look at the bigger picture, guys, you can't even see anything has happened. It looks like Cardano hasn't even moved a little bit. So if we bring out the measuring tool for you guys, Cardano is still down about 86%. So you guys get the better picture as to what I'm trying to say. This zone is extremely important now, the 78.6, and that's where we are exiting the bear market cycle and onto this upward trend formation. That is going to be very exciting. But nonetheless, really nice things I'm seeing right now. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all the support. You guys are showing me tremendous amount of support. You guys have been killing it. Love you all. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow on some Crypto ZX, and peace out.